In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pepperstone to MT5. Before we jump in, let's set you up for success. You'll need MetaTrader 5 installed on your computer or device, your MT5 login ID, which is your trading account number, your trading password, not the client portal password, and the server name provided by Pepperstone. All four of these are required to log in. If any one of them is missing or incorrect, the connection won't work. If you haven't installed MT5 yet, start by logging into your Pepperstone client area. Head to the platform section and select MetaTrader 5. From there, download the version for your device, whether that's PC, Mac, or mobile. Install it and open the platform. It's best to use Pepperstone's own download link because it includes their servers by default, which makes the login process smoother and avoids manual server setup. Now let's connect your Pepperstone account to MT5 on desktop. Open MetaTrader 5. At the top left, click File, then choose Login to Trade Account. A login window will appear. In the login field, enter your MT5 account number exactly as provided. In the password field, enter your trading password. Remember, this is different from your client portal password and is usually sent in your account setup email. Next, select or type your server. This part is very important. Choose the exact server name Pepperstone gave you. When everything looks correct, click Login. If the connection is successful, you'll see the status in the bottom right of the platform switch to connected, and you'll notice prices and charts begin updating in real time. If you don't see that, don't worry. We'll cover the most common fixes in a moment. For server names, here are common examples you might see: Pepperstone MT5 Live, Pepperstone MT5 Demo, or a domain-style entry like MT5.pepperstone.com. Use the one that matches your account type and the details Pepperstone sent you. If the server is wrong, the login will fail even if your login and password are correct. If you get an invalid account message, it almost always means the login or password is incorrect. Carefully copy your account number and trading password from your welcome email and watch out for extra spaces or character case. Also double check that you're using the trading password, not the client portal password, and confirm the server selection is correct. That's it. With MT5 installed, the right login details, and the correct server, you'll be connected to Pepperstone in just a minute and ready to trade.